hit it next.
All right. All right. Okay, it's Mayray's turn. Rosalind, get out of the way.
Get out of the way, Rosalind. For heaven's sake.
Okay, Mayray. Hit the ball. Other end.
Hold it the other way. There you go. Good job. Yay!
All right, Rosalind's turn. No, it's Rosalind's turn.
Yes,
Maylene. It's Rosalind's turn.
Turn
Go stand by Gigi. Yep. All right, Rosalind, swing it.
Hey, we saw that. Oh, come here, poor baby. Come here.
Maylene, it's your turn again.
She's all dejected now.
Maylene, it's your turn again.
Go ahead.
Look.
Your ball is in the corner, honey. In the corner is your ball. There it is.
You want to cry for the camera? Are you gonna hit the ball on the tee?
Yeah. Let's see you do it. Does she have your bat? Did you take the bat?
Maylene, you've been using that one over there. That's yours.
Yeah, that's a better one. It's bigger. You'll be able to hit the ball better.
Your ball's right there in the corner.
Hey, there you go. No crying in baseball.
There's no crying in baseball. All right, Rosalind, watch out. It's Mayray's turn.
Okay,
You need to get out of the way.
get out of the way, Rosalind.
No, other end.
The other end.
Other end. Maylene, it looks like you're shooting a gun. Yay! All right, Rosalind's turn. No, it's Rosalind's turn. Yes, it is.
Yes, you have to take turns.
Mayray, it is Rosalind's turn. No, ma'am. Your mommy's gonna see this. All right, Rosalind, hit it. Swing your bat.
Okay, get your ball, Ray. You'll go after Rosalind.
All right, Rosalind, hit it hard. Swing at it. Swing it. Yay!
Okay, it's Ray's turn.
Yep, Mayray's turn.
Now, Ray, hold the bat like this at the end and swing it like that. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's fine. Wasn't much in there.
Swing it. Hit it. Yay! Aurora. 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 Aurora Grace. Hey. Aurora.